Hey there! Welcome to our English journey today. Let's take a peek into a typical day in the life of Alex. Alex's day starts bright and early. He takes a moment to gather his thoughts. It helps him start the day with a calm mind. Alex is a morning person. The day begins at 6 a.m. with a quick stretch and a jog around the neighborhood. After a refreshing shower, it's time to dress up in the comfiest clothes available. Alex swears by those cozy sweatpants. Breakfast is next on the agenda. In the kitchen, Alex finds the aroma of freshly brewed coffee lingering in the air. A cup of joe alongside a bowl of crunchy cereal is the usual morning routine. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Once fueled up, it's time to tackle the day. Alex checks the schedule, preps the backpack. He prefers to plan his day in advance, so he knows exactly what's ahead, and heads off to the bus stop, with people chatting and kids giggling, a true morning buzz. At school, there are different classes throughout the day. Math, science, and English literature fill the morning. Alex particularly enjoys literature because stories from the past help understand the world better. Lunchtime arrives, and Alex meets friends at the school courtyard. There's laughter, some trading of snacks, and lots of storytelling. Afternoon classes pass by quickly, and soon it's time to head home. On arrival, Alex gets cracking on any assigned homework. The sooner it's done, the sooner there's time to relax. Dinner is a family affair, and Alex's mom always surprises with a delicious dessert. It could be anything from homemade apple pie to a decadent chocolate cake. Post-dinner relaxation varies. Sometimes it's diving into a video game quest. Other times it's diving into a new book adventure. But bedtime's consistent. A cozy routine involving brushing teeth, slipping into pajamas, and diving under the covers. Lights off and it's dreamland within minutes. On weekends, though, there's a little twist. Alex sometimes stays up late binge-watching favorite shows or catching up on the latest blockbusters. That wraps up a day in Alex's life. Thanks for joining in today's lesson. Remember, practice makes progress. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more learning adventures.